Welcome, beautiful friends. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make bhujia. It's fried item. So I'm taking longboard. It's called LOCI ki bhujia. So I'm taking here 1 kg of longboard, which is sliced, and it's 2 to 3 medium potatoes, 5 to 6 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, and here I am taking 3 medium size of onion, which is sliced, normally sliced. So let's start making it without wasting any time. Our oil is enough hot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Firstly, we have to fry the potatoes. Now we will add half teaspoon of salt. So now it's getting brown. So now we will take it out. Now we will fry the onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And we will add some red chilies. We have to brown it. So now it's getting brown. So as you can see, it's enough brown now. We will add the longboard. It's time to add it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is so simple and so unique recipe. I hope you guys like this recipe. Now we will add the salt. That remaining salt. I added half salt in the potatoes and while I was frying, and half in it. Now let it cook. It will release its water and it will cook on its own water. We don't have to add anything. After 10 minutes, firstly we have to cook it on high flame, then now it's cooking on medium flame because we have to tender it completely, otherwise it will get burned. So make sure about the flames, otherwise it will get burned. And you can stir it after 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. After more 10 minutes, so now all of the water is evaporated. We will saute it, and now I'm gonna add the potatoes, that's fried potatoes, and mix it. Now we will cook it. We have to cook both things. And now I'm gonna add the black pepper powder. It will give a strong flavor in it. and this is the main thing of this recipe. Now we have to simmer it for 5 minutes on the low flame, and it's almost done now. I'm gonna dish it out. Okay guys, so this is our final look of long gourd bhujia, which is LOCI ki bhujia, and it's really so delicious. It's so good in taste. You can serve it with hot naan or chapati or dal chawal. Recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.